How to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to PS5. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset to your PS5. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So first thing first, make sure your PS5 is powered on, and then go ahead and grab a Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset and then turn it on by pressing and holding the power button on the left ear cup until the LED indicator lights up. After that, you will be needing to put your headset into a pairing mode. So to do that, you can press and hold the connect button on the left ear cup until the LED light starts flashing rapidly. That means that your headset is now ready to pair with your PS5. And then you can go ahead and take the wireless USB transmitter that came with your headset and plug it into one of the USB ports on your PS5. That will allow the headset to communicate wirelessly with your console. And once the transmitter is plugged in, the headset should automatically connect to it, and you will know it's connected when the LED light on the transmitter stays solid, and the LED light on your headset should also stop flashing and remain solid. After that, make sure the audio is set up correctly, and on your PS5 you can go ahead and press the PS button on your controller to bring up the controller center and go to the sound settings, and after that set everything up, and that is it. Now you have successfully connected your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset to your PS5. So therefore, I hope this video helped you set things up, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.